Up the Grove, Newburgh. Good morning. What's your name? Okay, you need to take your hands out your pockets if you would. That's okay. Very good. All right, where are we on this case?
Essentially, this was adjourned, Your Honor, as a control date for the defendant to pay the balance into escrow with that time. He has substantially done that. I'm only showing, and she did pay January rent as well. I'm only showing an $82 difference between what we're showing is owed as well as the escrow amount that she has paid up until now. So
What do you have the escrow on? I have, is this from today?
Yes.
I have 45.58, Your Honor.
Okay, 45.59, but same idea.
So very small discrepancy. I'm asking the court to release the remaining escrow funds to my client. Additionally, however, I did have a chance to go over the letter with Ms. Upgrove. I think we're on the same page as far as that's concerned, so we don't have a problem updating.
Hold on a second. So today, in January, you can have a seat if you'll be more comfortable, man. That's fine. So today, as we sit here right now, she owes $82. And if that $82 isn't there, she's clear through the rest of January.
And she's agreed to pay that, so I don't think we have an issue.
Well, why, seriously? Man, when are you going to pay that so this can go away? Otherwise, I'm just going to waive part of the court costs. So, I mean, she did her part.
She did.
I mean, I don't get it very often when people actually tell me they're going to do something and they do it and they fall just $82 short.
I don't have a problem with that.
So here's what I'm going to do. Keep your $82. I'm waiving $82 of the court cost. I'll release the escrow to plaintiff and we're done. Oh, really? You just won? No, go ahead.
Yeah, please have some help with
Finding.
housing. We're not getting any love. I had 2 leads, but it didn't work out so well. And I just need help.
Have you contacted Hawk regarding their relocation?
I was told to, but they have not.
Pardon?
They're not good. They can help with the moving costs if I need it, but they don't, help with housing. We had a house fire. We're homeless for 6 months.
Okay.
I've tried every resource in Washtenaw County, even Lane County. We didn't get any luck until I got the voucher that I have now. But my problem is I'm trying to find a house that accepts my voucher. Because a lot of houses right now are expensive.
I know. I don't know, because you have a voucher and your voucher is portable.
Yes, I have an emergency housing voucher.
Got it.
6 kids.
I got you. I don't know what assistance really the court can give to try to help you, because a lot of that's going to depend upon the landlord. The particular landlord, wherever,
Yeah.
taking it and willing to enter into that for private landlords.
Yeah.
Um,
I've been looking for since June.
okay.
And praying.
Let me ask you this.
I do need more time.
Pardon?
Because I do need more time.
To try to move. Is your lease up or what's the deal?
It's up on 31st of January.
I actually procedurally, Your Honor, was I advised her that I would be okay during this, and I would rather not to talk to my client about that because I know she's having trouble. She said today, I don't have a problem.
Got it. Okay, so here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to vacate what I just ordered. Okay? I'm going to release the escrow to the plaintiff. You're going to have a balance of $82 for right now. Okay? And then balance through January is $82. Might be waived by court. Okay, so I'm putting that back on your ledger. There's a reason why I'm doing that, because otherwise then I don't have anything to do. How much time are you looking for to move? Huh? Okay. No, I know, but when I ask somebody that and they tell me as much time as possible, I don't know what to do with that. So I'm just trying to have you, I know it's frustrating, it's stressful, but you're not having luck right now, right? And you got 6 babies, you're trying to, is that the deal? You all right? Okay. Just have to go. Here's what we're going to do. Counsel's willing to talk to his client. Okay. Good. All right. Just listen. Nothing's going to happen to you or your babies until I say so, and I haven't said so. So I don't want you to worry about that. I get the circumstance that you're in, that you want to move. It's hard finding that type of housing that's going to house that many people. You're in a good place because you got a portable voucher. All of that's where we're going to be. Okay? So I don't want you worrying about that. You got enough that you're worried about. I don't want you worried about that. Okay? Now, are you going to be able to get your February portion together if I put this? Okay. Today is what? Today's the 9th?
Yes.
Okay. Is that the group? I'm adjourning your case. You're going to have to pay February rent and escrow. Okay? As well as what will be March's rent. I'm adjourning your case out to March 19th, 2024 at 9 a.m. That gives you, you're welcome. That gives you some time to look. You just got to make sure to put your rent into escrow. And I've got to make that weighty decision on this $82. Okay? Does that help? Okay. You're welcome. Relax a little bit. Not always when things look their darkest is it really the darkest, right?